Aldol condensation statement: aldehydes or ketones containing an alpha hydrogen atom, they condenses in presence of strong base to form a beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone. There is an example: an alpha hydrogen atom is that hydrogen which is attached to an alpha carbon, whereas an alpha carbon is that carbon which is attached to the carbonyl carbon or any functional group. Aldol condensation reaction mechanism takes place in two steps. Step 1 is the formation of the carbanion. The base abstracts an alpha hydrogen from first molecule of aldehyde to form the carbanion. Carbanion is nothing but a carbon containing a negative charge. Whereas step 2 includes attack of the carbanion, which is formed in step 1 on the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of aldehyde to form an intermediate. Whereas step 3 includes protonation of the intermediate. The intermediate which is formed in step 2, it is now protonated to form the beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone, that is the ultimate product. As this beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone is also known as aldol, this is known as aldol condensation reaction. Let us see the animated mechanism. Here the base abstracts the alpha hydrogen as a proton from the first molecule of aldehyde and forms the carbanion here. Now this carbanion attacks on another molecule of the aldehyde at carbonyl carbon, which is electron deficient, to form an intermediate, and this intermediate is now protonated to form beta hydroxyaldehyde, that is nothing but an aldol.